Hello guys, welcome back. In this video let's have a look on the pinch tool. So I'm just clicking and dragging over the model here, and I'll be doing this several times, and you should be able to see there is some sort of line formation and what's really happening here. So if I get into the details, firstly I would like to open up this one and then enable the wireframe, and then I'm using this brush and then just clicking and dragging it, and you should be able to see all the lines are coming towards the stroke wherever I'm just applying that stroke. So that's the pinch what we are talking about. So the points are pulled towards the center, okay? And when I hold control and just click and drag, it works the opposite side. You should be able to see all the points are moving away from the center, okay? This will end up giving me some sort of results. Here you're getting that flat effect, and here you're getting that, you know, hard edged effect. So if I use a draw brush, okay, and then just draw a line there, and then go for the pinch tool and then just click and drag it over like that. If your stroke is not working correctly, you can always use the stabilize stroke option. Just click and drag there, and you should be able to see that nice sharp corner. You're getting that with this. On the other side, if I hold control and drag it, you should be able to see it's giving me a sort of blobby effect. It's generally inflating the points there, okay? If you are expecting a hard edge, preferably pinch tool should be a choice where you're able to pull the lines closer. I do a lot of pinch when I want to create that skin folds and I want that sharpness in that, then definitely this is a go tool for that. Thank you.